Welcome to the graphic designing course. So this is a second part. In this video we will see how we can do graphic designing using Canva. I know so many people are struggling to learn complicated softwares like Photoshop, Illustrator, Adobe InDesign, Affinity, etc. With Canva you can remove all these problems, and that is why I decided to create this video for you. Now you will be able to impress everyone with your newly learned design skills and save a lot of time. So in order to learn Canva properly, you need to watch all the upcoming videos properly in a proper order. So today I will give you a brief introduction about Canva. So basically Canva is a graphic design platform. It is an online platform which is designed to create social media graphics, presentations, posters, documents, and other visual content. So with the help of Canva, you can do anything, you can do everything. You can make presentations, you can design graphics, posters, and even you can make documents, text documents, ebooks, book covers, movie posters. You can use Canva online or you can download Canva app. Now there is a free version also and paid version also. So if you want to learn Canva, you can sign in for free account. So here is my dashboard. You can see there are many options. There are already inbuilt templates. Many templates are already available. So you can customize these templates. You can change the heading, you can change the text, you can insert animations, you can add animations. While creating the presentation, you can add your sound, video, and even animate your slides. So here I have made some designs. You can check this out. I have made these designs using Canva, and already many people are earning through Canva. You can earn a lot through Canva if you learn it properly. So basically, if you want to become a freelancer and you love designing, you like creating new designs, then Canva is for you. So in the upcoming videos, I will teach you Canva, how to use Canva, and you can make amazing designs using Canva. We are going to cover each and every topic in detail.